Cooking with Lucy. I'm just about done with mixing my pudding. So yeah, you make pudding. I didn't have enough milk, so I cut the recipe in half. Make as much as you want, depends on how many cups you have. That seems pretty good. Get out the clumps. And these are no bake, by the way. By the way, this is random, but follow me on Instagram, Lucy-tastic, like this. On Twitter, Lucy_Russell. So, yeah. Now, I would check on your little thing, you see how good they look. They're not even close. So, this will be a boring part 2. You know what I'm going to do? Sorry, you put some chocolate chips in. I have some crushed Oreo that I use for my mega sundae, which actually I never posted. Well, not on Sunday. I'm gonna put in some. I really never give measurements because I don't know. I just don't. Just kind of not too much, not too much. Anyway, 7. You think it needs a little bit more in, but don't put too much if you have crushed up Oreos, because you might want to use this too. So that's pretty good. And I'm going to put in some smushed Oreo. Make sure you don't have too big of clumps. Just put that in. Also, just start off with just a little, and then when you mix it in, if it seems like it's a little bit too little, put it more. Yeah. Just make it so it's a light coating, you know. And then once you mix that in, you're good. That's some good pudding. Alright. So, bye guys. Join in for part 3. Just look on my channel. It'll be there. It'll probably be related videos too. But yeah, bye.